Today is the landing of the East Africa Submarine Cable System, or abbreviated as Eassy. What that in effect means is that in the lifetime of a cable system, which is typically 25 years, you started by obviously installing the cable from the land base into the sea onwards. And what is taking place here today is Alcatel, the supplier of the Eassy cable system, is installing the Eassy cable right here on the shore end at Mtunzini, which involves obviously the cable ship coming about 2 kilometers offshore, and then they bring the cable on board or onto the beach, floating it with a balloon type arrangement, finally cutting it away with divers, and then the cable sinks to the seabed, and that is basically the shore end installation at Mtunzini. Now, from a telecom perspective, this is obviously important for us because we are one of the key investors in the cable system, and we have also been appointed as the specific landing party provider. That means that we actually provide the facilities for the Eassy cable to land here in South Africa.
The landing in Maputo itself has already taken place. The shore end there has actually taken place, and as was indicated, the Port Sudan has also taken place, and the ship is actually en route to Djibouti. So we are rapidly moving towards a point where the two cables will eventually meet and the final splice with all the occasion befitting it will actually take place. In the case of the Somalia landing, there are certain emergency measures that have been put in place in order to avoid the risk issues that pertain to that particular area of the world. Some other provisions have actually been made, to connect to Somalia via Djibouti. So there will be some link that goes to a town in Somalia called Berbera. That is in order to ensure that they are not totally left out because of the current risk situation that obtains in that environment.